All right, so let's get ready for this Q&A. First off, thank you so much for the almost 600 new followers in like the past 2 weeks that I've gotten. You guys are so awesome. As you may have noticed, I actually finally made it to 10,000 followers. I actually surpassed 10,000 followers, so I'm super excited. So thank you for everyone, for all 10,000 plus of you. I wrote some questions down because in the past 2 days, I have gotten a bunch of questions, and you guys wanted me either to do videos for you or to give you a little more of an elaborate answer. So let's get into it. I'm going to answer some of the questions, and if your question was not answered in this video and you still have something you want to know about couponing especially, put them in the comments and I'll definitely do a part 2. But let's get into this. Question number 1, can you unclip your coupons, your digital coupons, whether those are perks or regular digital coupons? Can you unclip them? So before, I was kind of able to, when I did it from my laptop, I was able to sort of unclip it instead of there being an option to remove it. If you're going to remove it, that means that you're no longer going to have it available. And I just tried that again right before making the video, so to make sure of it. If you have an option to unclip it, then that's different because it will still stay in your coupon list. However, I didn't see that option anymore, neither on my phone nor did I see it on the laptop. And so now it's just, you clip it and then you remove it. Once you remove it, it lets you know if you're going to remove this, it's going to basically disappear. And so I clipped a coupon that I was not going to use, and it was expiring soon anyway, just in case I didn't want to lose any of my regular coupons. So if you clipped it by mistake or not, just like if you really, really don't want it, you could just remove it and then have that space to clip another coupon. But if you just wanted to unclip it for any reason, I don't know, just leave it there because it's going to disappear if you do. The next question is, when do you scan or when do you hand over your register rewards? So when you're going to do a transactions, there are two Carolinas that you can have, or two rewards that are coming out from the machine. So remember, if you didn't know, I'm just going to recap. When you make a purchase at Walgreens, you have two machines. One is printing out a regular receipt. So I'm going to show you, like, one is printing out like a regular receipt, and the other one is printing out either a perk where you can spend a certain amount of money and then get some Walgreens cash back into your account, or it's going to print out a coupon that you can use with a value, like a $7 coupon. When you buy, for example, two of these, and I'll make a video if you want, put it in the comments if you want to see it. It's going to print out a register reward of $7 for buying two of these. If you want to see that transaction, let me know. So that is going to print out from the same machine that's going to print out those special boosters or perks called Carolinas, register rewards. So that those two things you're going to get. So back to the question, when do you hand your register rewards in? If you're using both a perk slash booster and a register reward, you have to give them that first, and then you give them anything else that you're going to use. Let me show you a visual. Had to work on the lighting. I don't know what's going on with the lighting, but we're back and with good lighting. Okay, so this would be a perk or a booster. It says that when you spend a certain amount of money, you're gonna get this amount, in this case $5 back into your account. That would be the special ones. And then this would be a regular one where you would get, it's like cash. You would get $5 off your transaction. So what I do is that I put them like this with the scanning thing on the bottom, the person's in front of me, and I let them know I'm going to be using these coupons. So I hand it to them, and also, even though this is on top, they tend to like move it around. So I let them know, please scan this one first. Even if they know that you have to do it, I just let them know so that just in case there's any problems, I can say with certainty, I did tell you. So if they mess it up, it's on them. Anyway, so they scan this one first, and then anything that looks like this or anything that looks like this one. Okay, like this one, like a coupon that's specifically for an item if I'm buying this item. So this is how you would put it. So in terms of the question was, which when do I give my register rewards? It would be after any perks. If you have, if you don't have any perks to give, then you don't have any perks to give. You just give register rewards, like things like this with money value, or this one coupons. The next question is, I ordered a photo and my coupon, that special coupon, did not print out of spend 15, get 5 back into your account. So in this case, I just got this picture today. Here is the date, the time, and everything. This picture cost, was it this one? Oops, nope, wrong receipt. The point is, this picture cost nothing. It was the one that I was giving you. I gave you guys a promo code for an 8x10. It expired yesterday. This is Walgreens. It expired yesterday, but I picked up the picture today. So I ordered my picture. I can't show you my picture, but I ordered my picture and I picked it up today, and it did not print out any perks. There are two reasons, or actually there's like three reasons why you wouldn't get a perk printed. So reason number one is that the picture was free and I didn't have enough time to input my phone number. So that would be the first one. The second thing could be that the register, the Catalina machine, or that's next to the register, is not working. Even if it has a light on, a lot of them are not working, and that's like for another video because I'm not sure what's going on. But in the store I went to, there are 5 registered rewards and none of them are printing anything, which is messed up because they're cheating people out of their rewards and their money in general. Even if you don't know about couponing and you're buying something, it should be able to give you a registered reward if it's labeled in the store. It's labeled all around the store, and yet it's not printing because they are not working. They're not fixing them. They're not caring about it. They're just leaving the little light on. People think it's working, and they're just like, what did I do wrong because I didn't get a registered reward or a coupon, and it clearly stated in the store that you should get it. So that's what I'm noticing as well. So again, you didn't have time to put your phone number in because the photo was free. If you had to pay for it, then it prompts you to give a phone number. But it goes too quickly. Once they scan it and it's free, it automatically starts printing a receipt and you don't get to put a number. The second one, like I mentioned, is that the machines are not working. They may look like they're working and they're not working. Sometimes they might even lie to you and say that it is working when it's not. And the third reason could be because in terms of the pictures, you're only allowed 5 transactions under that account. A lot of us creators are trying to see how this works out. At least I don't know, or I haven't heard of what would be the time frame. Is it that it resets every week? You could only get 5 transactions of free pictures per week, or is it per month, or is it just in general throughout this promotion? I don't know what's going on, but that would be another reason why it wouldn't print out. So you would have to, next time you order a picture, then use another phone number from another account. So that's in terms of that. And if you have any questions on how you're going to order the pictures, what promo codes to use, and what you're going to get back, I have posted a video on that, so go check it out once you see this one. And I'm going to do one more question because the video is getting pretty long, but I really want to get to everyone. The other question is, okay, why didn't I see my points? Like, for example, if I use this in a transaction and you're supposed to get back $5 when you spend, in this case, 25 or whatever it is that you're supposed to get into your account, why did you not see it on the bottom of your receipt? If you do not see it on the bottom of your receipt, sometimes when you do a transaction, it doesn't come out on the bottom of receipt. I'm not sure why. However, if you go to your application, if you go to your app on your phone or log in your computer, you're going to be able to see that under purchases and orders or transactions. You're going to be able to go into your account and under your name. So, okay, on the left side. So on the left side, when you log in, your name will be there. So right under it, where it tells you like how much Walgreens cash you have in your account, you click on it and it gives you an option to check your orders. You check your orders and you should see it. Another way to see it is you go on the right side of your phone, and there it should also have an option to show you how many points you have. Once you click on those points, or your Walgreens cash is going to give you an option to see your latest transactions. You check your transaction and it lets you know what you have purchased that day, the time, the date, the transaction number, which is something you would need if you call customer service anyway. And then it will tell you on the bottom of the list of items you bought, it would say that you earned XYZ amount of points in that transaction. So if you can't see it on your receipt, then you can go ahead and check in your account. I hope these questions and answers to these questions were helpful. If you have any more questions, put them in the comments. Don't forget to like and follow for more videos on how to save money, tips, tricks, ideas on savings and couponing. And don't forget to share so that other people could enjoy the same as you and I. Until the next one, and don't forget to